tomatoes.
Okay.
Peppers. What are these?
Can you read the sign? Does it say?
2. They're all for 2 and 1. And let's buy this one. We don't. Mr. Doug lost his guitar pick.
Oh no. Was he not able to play the guitar?
No, he can still play it. That's with his hand.
Oh, okay. Okay, pick one out. Pick one that looks good. Okay, can you put it in the cart?
Why are we putting it outside?
Because they have all the plants outside.
Well, we're buying a lot of plants.
Yeah.
Find the walls are inside.
Alright, what kind of plant is that?
Tomato.
Yeah. Okay, can you fit some more dirt in there?
I mean, this one ahead.
Okay. Not too hard though, okay? Just softly. You think you can do that? Scoop up some and then put it in that pot. Good. Do a little bit more, okay? He's doing a good job. Noah, put a little bit more in there.
Then it's my turn to do it in there?
Yeah, just a little bit. Okay, good job, bud. Can you pick up your bucket?
I'm going to water the plants.
Okay. Which ones do you want to water? Okay, go find the strawberries. Go water them. Alright, see if that one says strawberries. Okay. No, where's your watering can? Okay, good. Can you get it? Okay, what do you want to water? Is that okay? You want to water those plants that Evan's watering? Okay.
I'm getting the water wall.
Oh, no, I don't. No, no, pick it up, pick it up. Pick it up. Okay, give it a little bit more. Pour some more in there. Good, Noah. That's good, just like that. Okay, that's probably enough water. You want to put water on something else? Okay. Eb, which plant are you watering right now? Yeah, which one was that one?
I don't know. I need more water there.
Okay, just a minute.